So hello everyone and welcome back to the channel and welcome back in another video of my YouTube channel. I know you all were eagerly waiting for last some time, and I'm so sorry I could not video for last 3 to 4 days. I thought of actually uploading video each and every day, but I could not. So I'm so sorry because I was not feeling well actually, so I could not made. So now I'm actually feeling good. So this video is all about GD, the group discussion, like how you can crack the GD, whatever the GDs I have given up to now. So I have cleared all the GDs, so I can give you some tips and some tricks, you can say. So yeah, that is how you can actually crack the GD. Okay, GD is nothing but it's always the first round of the interview. Keep in mind, and that is a eliminating round when there are lots and lots of candidates. So what recruiter do na, it takes the GD. So that is basically to eliminate the students. Okay, so always you have to keep in mind that whenever the GD is going, you have to keep certain points, certain essential points which you should keep in your mind so that your GD goes well. So the first point is that whenever the GD starts now, first of all you should be there in formal dress, whether you are taking your GD online or offline. So always wear formal dress because dress also includes certain points. Okay, so the second important point is that whenever the GD is starting, always try to start the GD. You should initiate the GD. There sometimes they'll give you certain time to think, 1 or 2 minutes, and so in certain situation they do not give you the time, but always try to start the GD. If at all you do not have any point to speak na, so just say, oh, so we got a wonderful topic to speak today. So whenever you're saying this, you can actually think what points you can put. So don't just randomly start the GD. Okay, yeah, I'm just starting, but you should always have a valid point there. Okay, that you're actually saying something, introductory point. So if at all you're not able to speak first, try to speak at the second position, and if you're not able to speak in the second position, so try to speak at the third position, but not later than that. Okay, so it shows that you can participate in a group activities, you can put your opinions in front of everyone, right? So the second point we should third point actually which you should keep in your mind is that you should be confident. Okay, whatever you're saying, don't struct in between, or don't say words like let me check. So we add certain kinds of fill-ups whenever we are speaking something. So don't add those fill-ups. It shows that your communication skills are weak. Okay, if I do totally understand that these things happens, but try to speak with yourself, try to speak at home with your brothers and sisters, try to speak by looking into the mirror is a wonderful thing. Look at your face, okay, and try to speak some or the other thing with yourself. Okay, and try to speak in English. So that will actually clear your tongue, that will actually makes your word very clear, very fine, and very effective. Okay, do voice modulation. What does voice modulation means? Sometimes speaking very low like this, sometimes certain words are there like amazing, so give some reactions by your face. So there should be so in voice modulation certain soft skills are there, so it will be included in the point number 5. So point number 5 is that use your soft skills. Soft skills means you should have facial expressions, eyes. We say na that eyes are the mirror, index of hurt, something like that. I can't recall the proper statement. So yes, your eye speaks a lot of things. So always, when we are shocked, so we do like this, oh my god. Okay, so someone from our face can recognize that, oh yes, he is feeling shocked or something like that, right? And if you're feeling happy, then also it will be reflected by your eyes. So eyes are actually the facial expression which you should keep there. And another important point in the soft skill is have a smiling face. Always do smile. Whatever be the situation, however nervous you're feeling, do smile. First of all, when you smile, you looks good, and whenever you smile, you feel very confident. Okay, in front of others also, it feels very confident, right? Okay, facial expression, hand gestures. The third important point is hand gestures. Always use hand gestures. Try to use this and that. Okay, this will make your communication enhanced. So this will make your communication very good. Okay, so in soft skill, I have talked about voice modulation. I spoke about eye contact. Yes, whoso in the group discussion, now what you have to do is you have to talk with your peer, you have to talk with your group. They are your friends. What you need to do is you'll get a topic and you need to actually discuss that topic. Now what we do in our school days, whenever we had something to gossip, whenever we do some kind of chatting in the group, okay, so we used to, you know, just add different points to different situation. Oh, there's a picnic, so someone will say that I will bring chips, I'll bring sandwiches, I'll bring coffee. Okay, so we add points na randomly. So that is how actually the GD is. You'll get a topic, you'll get a situation, right? And you have to add points. First of all, when the initial 2 minutes of the GD is going on, always try to introduce the topic, and in the second one, try to add the plus point of the topic, and in the third part of the GD, in the last 5 to 6 minutes, always try to, you know, show the demerits, and never forget to add the conclusion, how you can actually solve those problems, how you can actually resolve those problems. So that is very important. Always conclude the GD. If no one is doing na, and you can see that time is going up, time is going, okay, so always conclude the GD. So like this. Okay friends, I know this is the problem, air pollution we are facing nowadays. Okay, lots of pollution, so it can cause global warming, it can cause severe problems, heart problem, respiration, you know, floods can take place, soil erosion can take place, so many factors you can add. But here is a, you know, solution for this. Solution is that use less and less vehicles. Okay, so important point is switch to electric vehicles. Nowadays electric vehicles are very you can say in trend. Okay, so you can add this point, so it will show that, oh, you have such a wonderful knowledge. So always stay up to dated, always share the modern news, modern updates. Switch to electric scooters, electric vehicles. Okay, that will help to reduce the fuel consumption. So indirectly it will help to improve the air pollution. So always remember that at the end you should add certain remedies, that how can you solve the problem. So yes, these are the tips and tricks which you should keep in mind. Dress, soft skills, hand gestures, eye movement, smile on your face, very important, and facial expressions, voice modulation. Okay, don't stuck in between whenever you're speaking. Okay, these are related to communication, and there are certain rule for the GD. You should not fight with anyone else. What happens in the GD is now everyone in the group try to speak this, and sometimes it happens that in the second or the third time you don't even get a chance to speak, right? So don't get panic, don't fight with anyone ki yes, I want to speak, I want to speak, something like that. Don't do that. Actually it will add negative impact. Wait for your chance. What is the right way? You can say, friends, okay, I have a wonderful point, and please give me just 1 minute so that I can add my point also. If you say like this now, so everyone will allow you to speak. So you should enter in that debate in a very humble manner. Okay, or you can say, oh friends, I have a wonderful point for you, I have a wonderful solution, let me add this point. So you can enter into that discussion in that way. Okay, don't fight. Okay, take the make the discussion friendly. It should be friendly. Okay. And yeah, in the whole debate, try to speak 3 minimum times, 4 to 5 maximum times. So you should speak. It's not like that once you have spoken in the beginning and then you're keeping quiet and then you're mum. So don't do like this. And if you're seeing that some people in the group, some people are, not allowing certain people to speak in the group. So what you can do is that you can say, friends, my friend, suppose his name is Alex. Alex has not spoken yet. So let's allow Alex to speak now. Okay, so that in that way you can give others also a chance. So that will show your leadership qualities, that okay, you're allowing others to also keep their opinion, right? So yes, this video is getting lengthy, so just keep these points in your mind whenever you're going for a GD. And nowadays GD is a very essential process whenever you're going for any interviews. So just prepare well, read the topics, very common topics like the gender equality, Facebook and Instagram. These are the certain topics. Okay, remember, debate is different from GD. GD is a discussion. It's just a discussion. Okay, so yeah, that's it. If you do have any doubts and any queries, do post it in the comment box, then I will try to answer your questions. Thank you so much, and goodbye and good night.